In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix games crashing on the PlayStation 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna present multiple fixes to help you address any issues attributed to games crashing on the PlayStation 5 and help you fix it. So, first, close down the game that you are playing that is crashing. On the home screen of the console, find the game and hover over it. As this example, I'm going to show you Minecraft. All that you have to do here after you hover over the specific game is to press the options button, and this is going to open the side menu where you have plenty of options. Check for updates, check sync status of save data, manage game content, delete information, and intellectual property notices. The best way to fix any issues attributed to games crashing is going to be check for update. As you might expect, this is going to check for any updates that you didn't acquire, and if it notices that you are on a previous version of the game, it is going to download the newer one. If an update in the past broke the game, or the new one fixed a lot of issues attributed to crashing, it is very important that you always keep the game that is crashing up to date running the latest version available. After this is done, you can go ahead and try to play again, or if you want to follow the other methods, all that you have to do then is go over to the settings of your PlayStation 5 console, and in there, go to Users and Accounts, as I've highlighted here. When you go over to Users and Accounts, one of the options at the left is going to be Other between Family and Login Settings. Go over to the Other category, and then you will find Restore Licenses. This is a process that takes up just some seconds or just a minute, and it is going to restore the license for every single game acquired in your PlayStation 5. By doing this, it is going to stop verifying this or possibly crashing the game while doing this on the background, so you can go back to the home screen and play any of the titles available in there without issues. Now, if you want to be completely sure that you will be able to fix this, the last thing that I would recommend is to uninstall the game that is giving you trouble and then downloading it from the ground up completely. I know for people who have slow internet speeds, this really isn't an option, so just consider this if you have really good internet speeds. The last thing to recommend is to check to see if your PlayStation 5 is overheating. If the console is overheating and it gets to a point where it starts thermal throttling, it could close down any application in order to be safe and make sure that it doesn't overheat to an extreme level where it could harm the console. So if you put your hand near your console and you notice that it is overheating way too much and it feels hot, what I recommend is that you take it to a repair shop. This isn't something that you should try to do on your own if you are not knowledgeable of the insides of the PlayStation 5, so consider taking it to a repair shop. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix games crashing on the PlayStation 5. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.